Namaste. Welcome back to my channel, which is Moonlight Guidance. I'm your host and guide Moon, and I'm here to raise your consciousness. Today with this episode, we are starting the massive subject of law of attraction. As the topic is very vast, there will be a few more videos. In part 1 today, we will talk the essentials of law of attraction, energy concepts, how to build your belief system, how to implement this law. Let me tell you firstly from my experience that this is science and not fiction. Law of attraction is not a model which you will practice for a few minutes or hours in a day. Instead, it's a lifestyle where each moment you live by following this law. A lifestyle where you should be aware every moment that your thoughts are creating your reality. This requires immense belief and trust in God and the universe. If you are currently going through the lowest phase of your life, for example, if the problems in your life has weakened your trust in God or the universe, then wait till you have solved your problem by facing it or by religious practices, which I believe gives you courage to face them head on and thus resolves them in a moderate manner. Law of attraction is very easy when you are in a happy and good phase of your life. When you fully trust the universe and when your thoughts allow you to surrender yourself to God with no negative thoughts, no doubts. These are some of the prerequisites for this law to work in your favor. So if you just got out of a very low phase of your life and want to turn your life around by creating a fresh and new you, then this is the correct time for you to take up the law of attraction. I will try to make you understand the law of attraction in simple and very easy ways. We'll try to make it coming more from 3D perspective. However, actually in law of attraction, first you manifest in the spiritual plane, which are the higher vibration planes than 3D. Post that, it shows up in your 3D physical reality. So it becomes difficult for a layman who doesn't have knowledge or don't believe in energy concepts. They say we are applying law of attraction, but we are not getting any results. First, you have to understand and accept that everything in this universe is energy. You, me, the feeling of love, the feeling of sadness, the $100 bill, the 2,000 rupee note, the chair, the car, everything. Every emotion and every thought is energy, which is quite easy to believe. However, let's see if we can believe that all materials are energy or not. Example, your car. It will be easy to believe all these if you are coming from science background, where we have studied that an atom is the smallest particle of every chemical element that can exist. An atom is consisting of 3 parts: neutrons, electrons and protons. The negatively charged electrons encircles the nucleus on a very high speed all the time. The energy produced keeps the 3 parts intact and prevents them from splitting. Thus, atom is energy. Every solid, liquid, gas and plasma is composed of neutral or ionized atoms. And thus, the solid car, which we have considered here as an example, is composed of neutral and ionized atoms, which carries energy. So next time you see a car, you should not think that it's just a stuff. Actually, what is it? It's energy. Also, Einstein proved that all energy of the universe is constant and that it can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form to another. So if we burn a car, the energy of the car gets transformed to fire energy. Also, choose your words wisely. What you talk is sound energy combined with emotional energy. This energy, once emitted in the universe, doesn't die or perish. It stays in the universe, and slowly in due time the universe reciprocates to you with the same energy. So think wise, talk good, do good, and good will come back to you. That's why I said at the beginning of the session, if you want the law of attraction to work for you 100%, you have to change your thinking style. That is your thought process. You have to look at things from the perspective of energy. Now let's come to the actual law of attraction. What is law of attraction? In simple word, it says that you will attract in your life whatever you focus on. Whatever you give your energy, attention to, will come back to you. So if you stay focused on the good and positive things in your life, you will automatically attract more good and positive things into your life. If you are focused upon lack and negativity, then that is what will be attracted into your life. Let me tell you why is it so. Like attracts like. If you are feeling excited, enthusiastic, passionate, happy, joyful, appreciative or abundant, then you are sending out positive energy. On the other hand, if you are feeling bored, anxious, stressed out, angry, resentful or sad, you are sending out negative energy. The universe, through the law of attraction, will respond strongly to both these vibrations. It doesn't decide which one is better for you. It just responds to whatever energy you are creating, and it gives you more of the same energy. You get back exactly what you put out there. Whatever you are thinking and feeling at the given time is basically your request to the universe for more of the same. Because your energy vibrations will attract energy back to you of the same frequencies, you need to make sure that you are continually sending out energy, thoughts and feelings that resonate with what you want to be doing and experience in your life. Your energy frequencies need to be in tune with what you want in your life. Now let's come to the serious part of this topic, which is how to implement law of attraction. Habitualize the law of attraction in your day-to-day life. Once you understand the law of attraction and how it works, you can begin to consciously and intentionally create a better life. You can choose to respond differently to the situations that arise during your day. You can choose to think differently. You can choose to focus and think about the things you want more in your life. You can choose to experience more of the things that make you feel good. You can choose to purposely participate in the creation of your future by managing your thoughts and feelings. Today we will end up the session here. In the next upcoming videos, we will discuss the 3 steps which this law passes through in order to offer us our manifestation. We will also reveal the key tools and tricks which you need to apply to make your manifestation fast-paced. Also, we will tell you the signs or the indications given by the universe to show that your ships are coming. That means your manifestation is near. And more importantly, we will cover the law of attraction in case of money, love and relationships. If you like my channel, please subscribe, share and like. Else, thank you very much for passing by.